Alright, so GAN 356X. So this looks a lot like my GAN 354, just bigger, so now first turns. I don't like it. It's pretty good. I like it. It's good.
The feeling sets it apart.
Yeah, true. Like, so one thing to know is that it's crazy smooth. Like this is like Xingsha Aurora, like kind of smoothness. Like it's really nice. Performance is nothing like special though. Like I think performance is around the same as like a UM or an SM. But it's just like how smooth it is, and I think it's pretty nice. I think I ordered one. Wait, is it even out yet?
It's on pre-order.
Yeah, it came out on pre-order. Yeah, so I think I did order one. So I'll be unboxing on my own channel soon.